So we're ready. Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
We're back at it here on the upper bracket of the Croft Division playoffs. Alliance 2 in blue, Alliance 3 in red. Alliance 3 in blue, Alliance 2 in red, actually. 24-909 Starlight firing from deep. Loading up in that launch loading zone. Now back to the far launch zone. Pushing out Artifact, but does spin awry. Row 2 D2, though, continuing to churn through the Artifacts. Trying to build a lead, but red takes it out. Root -1 from Arkansas. Shooting from near. Their Alliance partners in the backfield trying to get some final shots off as auto ends.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Red Alliance will lead 90-78 coming out of the autonomous period. Artifacts flying up high for both alliances. 22-489 Galactic Narwhal Chicken Effect rapidly cycling back and forth from that far loading zone. Taking Artifacts on board. They fly back, shooting Artifacts up, going 1 for 2 on the volley. Root -1 meanwhile running the gate. Coming back with Artifacts on board, firing them into the goal. They keep on churning. That loading zone proving to be an absolute boon and a power source for 22-489 Galactic Narwhals. But now that loading zone is empty. They have to go steal from the Blue Alliance loading zone. They're doing it alongside Starlight of the Blue Alliance. Both these alliances trying to keep loaded. Row 2 D2 doing some cleanup in the near field. Picking up the scraps and launching them up for points to the Blue Alliance. But Red working quicker. 254-178 is the Red Alliance lead. Moving on into the final 60 seconds of the match with a nearly 90-point lead. Red Alliance number 2 looking to cement their spot in upper bracket finals. 50 seconds left to go. Teams seem to be still sticking to somewhat similar strategies. Galactic Narwhal Chicken Effect holding strong in the deep field, taking advantage of that loading zone and secret tunnel runoff from the Blue Alliance to keep supplied. They're loading up their partner Root -1 still on gate management. Row 2 D2 and Root -1 playing beautifully on gate management for both of their respective alliances, preventing hardly any overflows. None for red out of more than 120 artifacts scored. Only 3 for blue as we enter the end game. 15 seconds left to go. Red Alliance firing on far. Blue Alliance shoots right back, but red is retaining a lead so far. Starlight was holding in that secret tunnel, not quite getting any extra boosts. Red Alliance Root -1 flying back for a partial park. Has time.
We got the winner! This Red Alliance with a score of 447 points! Alliance 2 advanced in the upper bracket, and Alliance 3 goes to lower bracket.